full template of presentation slides for proposal defense, candidature defense, Viva, and academic presentation. We're gonna compare creative slides like this with poor slides like this. Now, let me scroll through these creative slides. Guys, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Minimal words, more infographics. This is how slides must be. Now, before I go further in explaining these slides any further, if you need this whole deck, you need to do very simple things. Click the follow button here and then like button. Finally, share these videos. Make sure you share, comment here that you need the slides, and also comment whatever difficulties that you're facing in your studies. Now, we go into the ugly looking horrible slides. So wordy. Instead of presenting this, you better not present at all. This slide deck came from our recent client. Okay, she designed this whole thing. I got shocked looking at this. Look at this. Why I say so? Because if you're presenting this, your examiner will know that you have no clue. Nothing here. Nothing. If you really know your thesis, you will never do a slide deck like this. Because with confidence, you will reduce the word count. You'll make it more beautiful, more presentable. This student, right, approached us after failing her Viva. So now we are consulting the student to rebuild the whole thesis. It's basically fully AI written, so we have to redo everything. Your examiners are coming to look at how you present. They are not coming to read your thesis or read your slides. Keep the words minimum, like these creative slides here. Example, look at the conceptual framework slides. You have minimum words, then numbers and pictures at the left. That's it. And with proper eye contact, present with full of confidence. This is how we nurture and teach our masters and PhD students during their 12 steps consulting processes with us. That is why when a student approaches from step number 1, they will 100% stick with the program until their Viva and their publication, everything done. So now, you need the slides, right? The creative ones for you to reuse? No problem. Follow, like and share. Now, comment here. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.